For decades now, washing machines have become an indispensable fixture in many homes. In fact, for some people, it is difficult to imagine how clothes were cleaned before they invented washing machines. Nowadays, a quick visit to the laundry, and you could wash your entire wardrobe in a few hours. With continual innovation in technology, washing machines will tend towards higher efficiency and automation in the coming years. However, for now, we have to settle with manually bypassing the level sensor. However, before we go into that, let's look at the unique kinds of the washing machine. Types of washing machines. Toploader agitator. The Toploader is about the oldest type of washing machine still in use today. This traditional washer has been around for decades and has firmly taken its place as one of the more loved washers. They are so named because we load the laundry from the top of the machine. They usually contain an agitator in the middle of the work basket. This agitator supplies washing power. It swashes against the clothes being washed, removing dirt and stains from the clothes as they rub against it. This kind of washer is easy to operate as the control panels are simple and intuitive. However, its relative simplicity means that wash cycles cannot be easily adjusted to meet specific washing needs. In terms of operation, the Toploaders have minimal vibrations. Front-load washing machine. Unlike the Toploaders, front-load washing machines are loaded from the front of the machine. They do not have agitators as the Toploaders do. During the washing cycle, the clothes are made to run against one another as the wash basket spins at high speed. Because of the absence of an agitator, the washing cycle in front-load washing machines is gentler on the clothes. Front-load washers could have a complicated control panel, which could appear intimidating on first look. However, one gets used to them with time. Modern front-load washing machines have sensors and automation to choose specific and desired wash settings. If you choose not to be bugged by needless details, you can often choose to simply make use of manual settings. Top-load impeller. These washing machines are also called high-efficiency washing machines. Like the traditional top-loaders, we feed laundry into these washing machines from the top. However, unlike the Toploader which has an agitator, these washing machines have impellers instead. You find the impellers at the bottom of the wash bin. The motion of the bottom impeller causes the clothes to move back and forth. And the rubbing action of the clothes enables the cleaning. How to bypass a water level sensor. Modern washing machines, especially the high-efficiency washing machines, are equipped with special sensors. They design these sensors to control the water level during the washing or rinsing cycles. The aim of high-efficiency washing machines is to be eco-friendlier by reducing energy consumption. This is achieved primarily by reducing the water level. The sensors detect the weight of the laundry by using pressure switches in the control panel. And these pressure switches in turn control the water level within the wash bin. The idea behind water efficiency is truly laudable, however, its execution is not quite popular. More often than not, insufficient water is supplied for washing and rinsing. This leaves the clothes poorly washed or not washed at all. Clothes that have been badly soiled stand no chance with this water-efficient method. This is what has led to the search for easy to bypass the sensor system, with the ultimate goal of increasing the water level within the washtub. The objective is to ensure there is enough water to properly clean the clothes. Insufficient water levels require repeated cleaning of clothes. Having to clean your clothes multiple times due to low water levels is counterproductive to the original water efficiency design. We have considered a few methods that can be used to bypass the sensor system and ensure higher water levels in the washtub. Some ideas are pretty basic while some will require getting your hands dirty. Either way, they ensure your washing machine properly does its job. Trick the high-efficiency washing machine. As earlier pointed out, high-efficiency washing machines struggle to supply sufficient water levels for clothes. It's especially worse for very smelly and dirty clothes. The fact is that badly soiled clothes simply need more water. Smaller dirty clothes could also be quite troublesome to spin in these high-efficiency machines. It's likely that the water level supplied for the smaller clothes will be too much and the washer will be imbalanced. The clothes could be clean but might remain wet. One simple solution to this problem would be to trick the water level switch. The water level switch will increase the water level required if the load in the washtub is bulkier. The washer is also more balanced during spinning if the load is bulkier. This ensures more effective spinning. So, in summary, more bulk is required. To create more bulk in your washtub, old thin towels can be used. Select old towels whose colors can no longer wash off into the other clothes. Also, ensure they are already clean. Remember, you don't want more clothes to clean, you just need more bulk for higher water levels. Another way to trick the water level switch into raising the water level is to make the clothes in the washtub heavier by getting them wet. After loading your clothes to the washtub, pour a jug of water over the clothes. The clothes will absorb water and become heavier. The pressure switch will trigger higher water levels due to the density of damp clothes. Use the bulky sheet option. The reason why high-efficiency washing machines use less water is laudable and reasonable. It's really not something to scoff at. Understanding the need to cut down on energy consumption might help us find a way to work within the high-efficiency washing machine environment. What is most likely assured is that these high-efficiency machines will not do a very good job at getting rid of stains or cleaning badly soiled clothes. This means that if you'll need to clean off tough stains, you will have to pre-treat the fabric before putting them in the high-efficiency washing machine. To further wash it, you can make use of the simple settings on this machine. Like the previous method, this is also a sort of trick. Firstly, load the laundry into the washtub. Put your detergent in the detergent drawer and fabric softener, if desired. To increase the water level, most of these HE machines have a deep fill setting that allows higher water levels than normal. If this is not sufficient, then consider using the bulky or sheets setting on the control panel. Now ideally, this setting is to be used when you are washing sheets and bulky materials. However, there's no rule that says you can only use that setting when sheets are in the washtub. That means you can trick the water level switch to consider your load as bulky and deliver higher water levels for washing. Now, this method might not raise the water level nearly as high enough as should be. Washing with smaller loads may help maintain a good load-to-water ratio whilst using these settings. Adjusting the set screw pressure. For most of the high-efficiency washing machines, the water level switch is actually a pressure switch. This water level switch could be seen on the control panel of some washing machines. And this pressure switch can be adjusted to increase the water level in the washtub. To do this, the control panel will have to be opened. Behind the water level switch, the pressure switch can be seen. In some energy-saving washing machines, a second pressure switch can be seen. This second pressure switch is for the rinse cycle. It is usually installed where the water level for the rinse cycle is designed to be lower than the wash cycle. Oftentimes the water level switch for this rinse cycle pressure switch does not exist on the control panel. Before adjusting the pressure switch for the wash cycle, ensure that the drain hose is not below the highest water level in the washtub. If that is not the case, the hose could siphon water away from the washtub. The pressure switch has a rubber diaphragm in its housing. As the water level rises in the washtub, air pressure in the plastic tube attached to the diaphragm increases. The pressure compresses the diaphragm to shut off the water at the appropriate level. The water level switch works together with this pressure switch. As the water level switch is turned from low to high, a plastic spring-loaded disc is pushed inwards. The disc is pushed farthest inward at the highest water level switch setting. A factory-sealed adjustment screw presses against the spring-loaded disc. With a screwdriver, this screw can be adjusted and tightened to push the spring-loaded disc further inward. This increases the maximum water level. When the desired water level has been achieved, a thread locker glue can be put on the set screw so that it doesn't vibrate out of place. With this, you can be sure that the water level in your washtub will be well increased during the wash cycle. We have come to the end of this video. We will continue this discussion in part 2 of this series. Kindly stay tuned. Just before you go, we'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel and then turn on the notification icon. That way, you'll always be notified when we post a new video. For more information on washing machines, do visit our website, www.zimwashingmachines.com.